Again, because Olive is watching me creepy. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ms.JJ again, and this video is about introduction. Since I didn't introduce myself yet, well, just give you about little information about me. I am the CEO and founder of JD Books. You can click down below what is JD Books. Okay, well, anyway, I'm just a simple person that have a lot of dreams. Well, oh my god, this is kind of a bit hard to introduce myself. Honestly, well, okay, this is final. This is serious, okay? Well, to know about myself, I love cooking. Well, as you can see on my blog, I really love to experiment some kind of recipe. And of course, I love to travel. Of course, in this vlog that I'm making, I think 2 vlogs that I have. And since that this is Corona time, we can... It's kind of sad. You can go anywhere. Well, just hang on there. That's not the end of the world, guys. Okay? I'm from Philippines, by the way, and I'm living here. My interest, I love going to the beach and of course to the mountain. Well, just some people say that I'm adventurous. Well, honestly, guys, I'm a Bisaya, okay? I'm so sorry if I'm speaking English now. Kay tinood bitaw, no? Ang uban ako mga friends na nasa laing country, di sila kasabot. So, I have no choice, guys. Sorry to my friends and relatives. Fair enough, let's speak English. Okay? Well, just there. And thank you so much for supporting my vlog. What I'm doing here in YouTube channel. That's my question too. Even before, I really love to talk in the front of camera, and I love to communicate people and sharing all the experience and adventures, food, travel that I'm doing. I really love to share it to everyone. And I believe that YouTube is the best tools to connect with people. And I'm so thankful for you, YouTube. Thank you so much. And what do you expect from my channel? Okay, what do you expect? What do you expect? Yes, you. So you will expect from me more travel vlogs and food recipe, and of course lifestyle. Alright guys, so right now I'm writing my first book. It's a fantasy book. Actually, why I created this book? Because of my childhood experience. I used to write and make some book before, pamphlet one, and I'm selling it. It's kind of silly, but it wakes me up. It's fire me like that, like to pursue my talent, pursue my dreams. Of course, what I've learned in my life, don't ever give up, because you are the rescue of yourself. You are the 911 of yourself. No one will rescue you. No one will help you. It's only yourself. I have cats. His name is Flashy. And the second one, Oliver. Flashy is siamese. So we're living here together. Thank you so much, guys, for for dropping by in my channel. And yes, before we end this video, I have a challenge for you guys, okay? Quick challenge. Alright guys, this is question and answer portion. The question is, in my previous vlog, I mentioned there, this blank is rich in antioxidants and minerals. So all you have to do is simple. Answer it correctly and comment down below your answer. Okay? And we'll pick the correct answer. The first winner will receive 1,000 peso, load or cash. Okay, we'll choose 9 correct answer and they will receive 50 pesos of load. Okay? Okay guys, are you excited? Let's do this! Okay guys, all you have to do is to check all my vlogs there so you can answer it correctly. To those people that who will comment down first, and if your answer is correct, you are the winner.
Thank you so much for watching Ms.JJ's video. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay updated.